This is under the carpeting in the center console, right next to the center dash. This is a little hump on the F250, 350. It's also on the Excursions, and the Excursion is what I have for a 2005 Excursion Limited 4x4. There's no way to get to the transmission from here. Looks like it's one solid piece of metal. So, looks like there's some sealing glue right there for the back air conditioning for the floors. I'll pull this back a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's any removable metal whatsoever. I was hoping that it was like the F350 Econoline snub-nose vans. I was hoping that you could just pop the center panel off on the inside to unbolt the transmission. So, looks like that's not going to happen. But, you know, it is what it is. And go to the other side. Check this side. This is the driver's side. See how it goes underneath. Not really sure what that is, but it's bolted to the metal. That goes right there. It looks like it's a no-go. The vent ends right there. Alright. Back to the passenger side. And it ends right there. See the vent? Well, shit. Alright, well. Guess we'll have to go the other route. Try to get the transmission unbolted while we're under the truck then. Alright, well, this is Antonio, and hope this video is a little helpful for anybody with a 2001 to 2005 Ford Excursion 4x4 with the 6.8 liter V10. The not the 6 point, but the 5.4 liter V8s are roughly the same, according to what I had found out. And I'll talk to you guys next time.